pontoon boat. That's very Florida right there. That might be Jimmy Buffett himself. Is that Jimmy Buffett? Let me see. Is it Jimmy Buffett? No, I don't see no cheeseburger. Looks like we was having some dolphin action. When the water swirls around a little bit, that's usually dolphins playing around. I'm trying to see. A lot of boats out here. They got this little tiny thing over here, like a little go kart. Oh wait, that's them. You want a dolphin? Get let me see. Coming on cool, like, yeah, we got a car. And they're like, we on a boat. Bye. Yeah, they got a boat. Like, look, we in the canal. We got a boat. Y'all got a boat. Yeah, y'all got a boat. Everybody got a boat out here. Not me. Boat stands for bring out another 1,000. I ain't trying to go broke off a boat. Then I get lost at sea. I don't even got no bill. Yes, we have boats today. All these boats. Yes, there's more boats out here than there are hoes. The hoes are hiding, probably in the boats. I don't know. But then we got like a pimp's meal here. Look at this. If there was a vegan pimp out there, he'd be eating this. Bare naked granola with blueberries on Greek plain yogurt. Organic avocado toast with organic pomegranates. You don't know what you're missing. And some cold pressed orange juice. Man, it's delicious. That's what I'm looking like today. I'm here for a good time, not a long time. Got a bowl of Greek yogurt, pomegranate seeds, and blueberries and granola. And it's just like doctors, because you can finally see how good they are for you once you get over how weird they look. Isn't that just like a doctor? You're like, ugh, I don't know if this is the right doctor for me. Then you start listening at him, you're like, ah, that makes good sense. Looks like somebody took a little paddleboard and put a cooler on it with a trolling motor. Now, if that's the most creative alcoholic, I don't know what is. Gotta get out there on this paddleboard and drink beer. Well, how are we gonna do that? Let's put a little engine on it. I can't be oaring and rowing out here. That's redneck ingenuity. He just know he tough. He just know he's so hard. Yeah. In the middle of this canal. It's a barge canal. They call it a Cape Crossing. Got my boat. Got a gas can on the back. Motor. Engine. I'll be cranking it by hand. Got this American flag right here. American freedom. I don't know anywhere else where you could just be riding around on a boat. Just cause you can. I don't know which amendment says, yeah, you could just ride a boat through this canal under a drawbridge and everything with some beer on there. You know you got some beer on there just in case. Because you don't want to be stranded and you don't got no beer. You end up on an island, you got nothing. You don't want coronavirus, but if you're on an island, you want Corona with you at least. Or Budweiser, yeah, it don't really matter the brand. It's the theory. Yes, we have boats today. We got all these boats. They're not mine. They're just here. Yes, there's more boats out here than there are hoes. The hoes are hiding. Probably in the boats. I don't know. But then, we got like a pimp's meal here. Look at this. If there was a vegan pimp out there, you'd be eating this. Bare naked granola with blueberries on Greek plain yogurt, organic avocado toast with organic pomegranates on it. You don't know what you're missing. Then some cold pressed orange juice. Man, it's delicious. So that's where I'm living, looking like today. But I'm here for a good time, not a long time. You know, right? Looks like somebody took a little paddleboard and put a cooler on it with a trolling motor. Now, if that's the most creative alcoholic, I don't know what is. Gotta get out there on this paddleboard and drink beer. Well, how are we gonna do that? Let's put a little engine on it. I can't be oaring and rowing out here. That's redneck ingenuity. How close can we get this drone? Almost dropped my phone. Do that.
Have a lot.
Step back. Step back.
Oh, Richard.
Step back.
Which way is back?
I'm trying to stay away from we're outside.
There's a
When it gets close, I put my mask
professional pilot. I gotta hand it to you. That was pretty professional.